Hey everybody, thanks for hanging out with me for today's lesson. Today, we are going to do a lot of kicking on the ands. We have an eighth note hi-hat groove, quarter note hi-hat groove with snares on all the quarter notes, and a very interesting fill that's got a flam in it. So get ready, because here we go. Okay, let's look at groove number one. Here we're playing eighth notes on the hi-hat, and here's how we count eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's break down groove number one by eighth notes. On beat number one, you play a hi-hat and a kick together. On the and, you play hi-hat and kick together. On beat number two, play hi-hat and snare. On the and of two, you play the hi-hat. On three, you play the hi-hat. On the and of three, you play the hi-hat and the kick. On four, you play the hi-hat and the snare. On and, we play the hi-hat. Now here's how we count out groove number one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, first we're going to count out groove number one, then after we count it out, we're going to play groove number one at 50, 60, and 70 beats per minute. I know you can do it. Okay, let's count out groove number one. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, let's play groove number one at 50 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, here we go. All right, now let's play groove number one at 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Okay, let's play groove number one at 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Hey everybody, to see the rest of this lesson or for more lessons, please visit the KungFuKickdrum.vhx.tv. If you subscribe there, you're not just supporting me, you're also supporting a future generation of musicians that can change the world. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time in the dojo.